Alright, check this out. I've been asked before, how do I remove mud that's baked up in the wheel wells, along the panels, all around the vehicle? And my secret weapon is hot water. Hot water and a pre-wash. So I spray the soap onto the vehicle, let it sit for about, give or take, 2 to 5 minutes, and then with my Hotzi pressure, you guys can see over there, I blast away all the dirt, grime, and mud, and it comes off pretty easy. Look at that. And that, my friend, is how I remove caked up mud from wheel wells and the vehicle's panels.